Hi guys, so this video is going to show you a little bit more about functions in um, programming with Carol. So we can use functions all the time to do anything that we want to be repeated. So the reason we use functions is so that our actual code is as short as it can possibly be. Because if you're someone that's programming, Instagram, that's a lot of code that you're going to have to write. And then if you send it off to someone else who you're never going to make a code, especially in a big company, you're never going to make a code and be the only one that sees it. So we write the shortest possible code so that if someone else is reading it, they'll be able to follow exactly what you're writing, and you have less chance to make mistakes. So if we want to make this Carol do this world, I could say move, put ball, move, put ball, move, put ball, move. Right? I could say that, and that will work perfectly. But we want to use functions to make that code as short as we can. So we're going to have to move up first. Then we're going to make a stack of 3 balls, which they're calling pancakes. So they want us to make a code called make pancakes. Now we need to say what that code is. So what that function is. So function make pancakes. We want that to be put ball, put ball, put ball. So if I do make pancakes, then I would do, now he put 3 balls here, and we have to move, and then make another stack. And then do it again. And then move one more time to get to the end. So this will work. We run that. Oh, just kidding, it won't work. Oh, there we go. Whenever we make functions, no semicolon. Every other time, semicolon. So this will make our world end the correct way. But it's still pretty long, and we can make it shorter. So there's a bunch of different ways that we could do this. Every time I move here and here, I'm doing 2 moves. So I could make another function down here, move 2, and then that function could just be move, move. So instead of writing move twice, I can just write move 2. And now it's going to call that move 2 function. It's not, if I just put move 2 here, it's not going to know what I mean. The only reason it knows what I mean is because I named my function move 2. That's really, really important. So if I run this, now it's going to make pancakes, and then it's going to move 2. Then it's going to make pancakes, and then move 2. So this code works also. I could also change my make pancakes to incorporate my move 2. Right? If I just put them together, every time after I make pancakes, I move 2. Right? So I could take this function out, and then I just say make pancakes, make pancakes, make pancakes. Now let's see if this one works. Now putting ball, then moving. Then putting the ball 3 times, moving. Putting the ball 3 times, and then moving, crashed into a wall, because at the end I just want to move once. So I'm not saying these are all things you have to do, but these are just, I want you to know how to make code shorter. So instead of make pancakes, what if I make a different function that's the same thing as this function, but instead I name it make pancake, and it just has 1 move. Now here I can have make pancake. Now that last move is not going to go, so he's not going to crash into the wall. So this is the shortest possible code that I could write. Right? I'm moving, making pancakes, making pancakes, making pancakes, and then I'm done. So this is the way that coders want to think about changing their code to include as many functions as we can, so that they are as short as possible. I can make this one even shorter if this part is the same as make pancake. So right here, I can use my code, my function that I made, inside another function that I made. So now I'm going to move make pancake, and here's make pancake. So this is probably the shortest possible code you can write. I just want you to see that we can use functions all the time to write our code as short as we can.